Hello, and in this video I'm going to talk to you about the Creative iMedia course that we offer here at Ormiston Ilkeston Enterprise Academy. Creative iMedia is a course run by the IT department and is usually run by myself, Mr. Cliffman, and Miss Hughes. What will you study in Creative iMedia? Now, Creative iMedia allows for students to demonstrate their more creative side when it comes down to using software and it comes down to using IT. This is something where students really excel at what they're doing because they're able to let their imagination go and see what they are capable of doing. In this course we focus on 4 key skills specifically. The different skills you need to develop products. So this isn't just about how to use software, but it's also about the different ways we need to look at products and the different kind of content that products contain. The different audiences we need to consider. So we need to be able to look at not just a person using a product, but also different age groups, genders, ethnicities, as each of those groups will impact how a product is used and the content that can be included within them. The different areas where products are used. So this could be as a movie poster or as an animation on a website. Those two as just examples require different categories of knowledge to be able to actually complete them. And they also require different skill sets as well and different tools when we come to create them. And also creating fully functioning multimedia products such as websites and photo editing. This is the practical element of the course. Now, I'm not saying the whole course is practical, but there is a good chunk of it that is. There is also a good chunk that is theory based, and it's those theory based sections that allow us to be able to develop good practical products. And what qualities will you need to be successful in Creative iMedia? Determination is definitely a key one there. You need to be able to push yourself in order to achieve the best grades you can. You are going to stumble, you are going to make mistakes during the course, but that determination to keep going is what's going to make the difference for you. Independence. Some coursework and revision needs to be completed by yourselves without staff members actually saying do this, do that. Independence is a key thing here for success. If you don't put the time in revision wise independently, then you may not end up with the grade that you actually want to. And resilience. You are going to attempt things in this subject and they may not go as planned. You may try a bit of photo editing and use a different tool, and what happens is it might not work as well as you'd expect. But it's about being able to bounce back from that problem, learn from your mistake and make those things better. Resilience is a key thing within IT and Creative iMedia. Now, how is Creative iMedia assessed? There is one exam. This is sat in year 11, and this is a mandatory unit of work, which means to pass the course, you need to do it. This unit is called R093, Creative iMedia in the Media Industry. During this unit, we look at how different products are made, the different categories of products that can actually be created, and the different content that we have to analyse and take into account when making it. And this is where knowing about your different audiences, your different types of digital content, and how Creative iMedia is used in the real world really comes into play. And then there are 2 coursework projects that have to be completed. One coursework project is mandatory and is set by the exam board. So to pass the course, you have to do this coursework project for definite, and this specific one as well, which is R094, Visual Identity and Digital Graphics. This is where we look at photo editing, how it actually is used within the modern world, and also the different tools and techniques we need to be able to use in order to complete and create digital graphics. Then we have an optional coursework project. This is one that we get to choose as a school, and the one we choose is R097, Interactive Digital Media. This is going to focus on website development or developing a multimedia product. So what does Creative iMedia lead on to? It could lead on to becoming a graphic designer, developing games, web developer, digital photography. These are just some of the careers that this course can lead on to in the future. And that's it for Creative iMedia. Now, if you do have any questions, you can come and see myself to talk about the course, or you can go to the OCR website and search for the Creative iMedia course, and all the details are freely available on that site.